I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Square to Affirm, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Start by accessing a Square account through the app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, find the transfer section in the menu. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. A quick tip: if you accidentally enter the wrong amount, you might have to start over, so take your time here. Step 4. Enter Affirm details. Input your Affirm account information, including your email or phone number associated with your Affirm account. This ensures the funds go to the right place. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review all the details one last time, then confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. I hope this helps you with your transfer. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.